38th floor of Grand Hyatt Hotel. So this is the breakfast. Salad corner. And yeah, of course, this is Grand Hyatt. Fresh fruits. Ayan, may guava, may orange, at saka milkberry lassi. Ito naman, guys, is vegetables fried rice and noodles. And this is a noodles corner. So, marami pong choices. Today, napakarami pong client ng Grand Hyatt. So, nagpunta kami dito ni Amore just to have some coffee. So, yan po yung kitchen nila. Ayan po. Anong pagkain naman ito? Nasi lemak. Ayan po. Congee, plain congee, chicken congee. So, ayan po yung kusina nila. Ito naman po is a coffee corner. So, let's have coffee here. And, yeah, tapos dito naman po sa banda dito. Ito naman yung mga nila, palaman. Ayan. Parang Nutella, peanut butter. Yup. Tapos ito naman mga langga, cupcakes. Typical breakfast ng 5-star hotels. So, nakakatuwa naman kasi marami pong food. Flavored butter bread. Ayan po. Tsaka naman ito. Sarap. Ito naman, bread corner. Tapos, this is the view, mga langga. That's the view from the 38th floor. So, yan po yung part, mga lalabs, na kung saan ako naglalakad everyday. So, yan po ang view from 38th floor ng Grand Hyatt. So, everybody busy for the food. Yan po, marami pong pagkain, marami pong bread. Croissant. Kind of croissant. Ayan po. Ano naman ito? Oh, donuts. Different kind of donuts. Ayan po. So, dun sa kabila may kusina. Dito may kusina din po, guys. So, scrambled eggs. Ito naman may hot dogs. And potato. Ayan po. Egg, white, vegetables. Ayan po. Sarap naman ito mga lalads. Ayan o. Yung cherry tomatoes. Ayan. So, ito lang po yung pagkain nila dito. Lots of choices. Ito naman eggs, hard-boiled egg. Ayan po. So now we are in the view of Twin Tower. Ayan po ang view from 38th floor ng Twin Tower. Coffee corner. So, ayan po. Ito po yung breakfast nila. So, ito po. Super ganda ng view. KLCC. the Twin Tower, the iconic Twin Tower of Malaysia. So, ayan po. Ito po yung breakfast. Oy! Ako yata, yun, nagulat na naman ako. Nakita ko na naman yung sarili ko dyan. O, ayan, o. Ayan mga lalabs. Ayan si Inday Sandra. So, this is the breakfast place. So, maganda po. Pagka medyo may occasions like Christmas, pumupunta kami dito ni Dodong. Just to have some coffee. And if there will have the cake, I will order the cake. Ayan po. So, ito naman po yung kanilang bar. Ayan po. Maganda din po yung kanilang bar. Yes. So, ayan yung aking Dodong. Nakaupo. Nice. So, hagdan pataas. Ayan po. Where's your coffee? Coffee not yet? Not yet the coffee? Yeah? I will ask.